You might be wondering why your toilet seems to clog all the time. There has been some changes in the regulations and how much water a toilet can use. And some do a great job with a small amount of water, some do not. So we may want to look at the specific make and model of that toilet to see if you would be better served by a different product. Other things that can cause it are obstructions further down the line. So we may get the flush to go down, but there is another problem further down the line that could be causing the frequent issues.